This clock represents the 30 to 60 minutes usually required to write a single cover letter from scratch. Meanwhile, a recruiter will typically spend about 6 seconds deciding if that document is worth their attention. Many AI career tools promise to fix this imbalance, but they often lead to a paywall. You spend time inputting your data, only to find that downloading the result requires a subscription or a hidden fee. ToolStack's AI cover letter generator is built to remove that friction. It uses the GPT-4o engine to produce high-quality drafts for free, with no usage limits and no account creation required. Our objective is to navigate the entire writing process in under 5 minutes. We want a result that is both technically optimized for automated filters and persuasive to a human reader. Modern hiring is a race against volume. By using an ungated, high-performance tool, you can apply to 10 roles with high-quality, tailored documents in the time it takes your competition to write one. Since there is no login process, you land directly into the generator. The first step is providing the specific context for the role you want. Enter the exact job title and the name of the hiring company. These fields provide the AI with its target destination. Isolating these two variables reframes the document. Instead of a historical list of duties, the generated text explains how your specific skills solve the company's current problems. The most common failure point is providing a vague summary of your work history in the background field. Generic inputs will always yield generic letters. Instead, describe your experience using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. Include hard metrics, like the exact percentage you increased sales or the specific number of developers you managed. The density of your input determines the strategic quality of the output. The more data you provide, the more evidence the AI has to build a convincing case for your hire. Every company has a distinct way they communicate. This is their cultural scent, and matching it is just as important as your factual qualifications. The ToolStack generator offers 4 modes to match this vibe. Professional uses the formal vocabulary expected in law, finance, or consulting, while enthusiastic creates a high-energy narrative suited for startups or sales roles. For executive positions, the concise mode focuses on high-level impact. For design or media roles, creative allows for a more expressive and unique opening hook. Choosing the wrong tone creates an immediate disconnect. A highly creative letter sent to a conservative financial firm signals that the applicant may not understand the industry's operational norms. Selecting the correct mode acts as a psychological bridge. It shows the hiring manager that you already speak their language and will fit seamlessly into their existing team. Once your details and tone are set, click Generate. The GPT-4o engine processes the information and builds a full structural draft in about 10 seconds. Observe the opening line. Clichés like "I am writing to apply for" are discarded, replaced by a hook addressing the company's needs. Then, the engine takes your raw STAR metrics and integrates into a cohesive story of professional impact. While this draft is structurally sound, submitting it immediately is a mistake. Recruiters can often detect when a document lacks specific, human-verified details, which may suggest a lack of genuine effort. The AI provides the foundation, but it cannot know the local, real-time context of the company. That final layer of persuasion must come from you. To elevate this structural foundation into an interview-ready asset, we apply a 3-part manual protocol. First, manually add a sentence about a recent company event. Mention a new product launch, a financial milestone, or a specific value they've recently promoted. This proves you are following their progress. Second, double-check the impact metrics. Ensure the AI has correctly framed your achievements and that every number is a true representation of your past performance. Third, read the opening hook. Adjust a few words to ensure the phrasing feels like your natural speaking voice, rather than a generic corporate script. Combining algorithmic speed with this final human polish creates a document that outshines the hundreds of generic applications recruiters see every day. The process is complete. You now have a high-precision, tailored cover letter ready for PDF export and immediate submission. Because the tool is unlimited, you should apply this same protocol to every application. Don't rely on a single master letter that you send to everyone. This approach allows you to maintain extreme quality at scale. You are no longer choosing between speed and personalization. You are achieving both. This generator is part of a broader ecosystem. ToolStack provides over 50 free utilities, including word counters and grammar checkers, to help you refine your entire application package. The modern job search is an efficiency challenge. Having unrestricted access to these technical tools ensures you spend less time on friction and more time in interviews.